Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Twitch account on the Quarantine Zone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quarantine Zone game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Twitch Sign In. This will now open up your web browser or the Twitch application, where you will have the option to log in to your Twitch account if you haven't done so already. If you don't already have an account, you can also proceed with signing up and creating a new one, and you can log in with your Google, your Amazon or your Apple accounts as well. Just enter your username followed by your account password, and then you can click on the login button to log into your Twitch account. This will then ask you to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your email and you will find your verification code. Just type in this code and then click on the submit button. And now you can click on the authorize button in order to link your Twitch account with the Quarantine Zone game. Once you have clicked this button and the authorization process is complete, you will get a notification on your screen, which will tell you that you can now close the window and go back into your game. After this, you can continue to play with your Twitch account logged in. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Twitch account on the Quarantine Zone game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.